Hi guys, it's Peter, welcome to our channel. And today I'm going to talk about Game Doctor for Super Nintendo. Okay, I got it. No, I lost it again. There you go. It's kind of hard to film it and play it at the same time. Anyway, it's a Game Doctor for Super Nintendo. Also, it's gonna work on a Super Famicom as well. It's a Game Doctor 3 to be exact. I really love the device, and if you saw my previous video about retro computers, you know I'm a big sucker for floppy disk. It's a really interesting device. Like I said, you can back up your physical copy to a floppy disk, and I enjoy to play it that way more probably. And I'd like to show you some little modification what I done to the unit itself. Not permanent modification, because I really hate to screw it any holes in the device. It's kind of rare, hard to find it. And let me show you what I did, what it is, and how it works. Actually, it works pretty good. I really love it. I designed it on a FreeCAD. Little knobs like that, pretty much a little rubber foot. And actually, let me show you how it behaves. Wow! Before I glued those half razors, but I'm glad I didn't use a super strong glue. It didn't stick to this plastic in the first place, because I don't want to damage it, like I mentioned. But without them, it sits kind of weird. You see the gap? Let me show you, make sure you see. And anytime when you want to put a cartridge, it wobbles. It almost wobbles pretty bad. It's touching even the system. Let me show you. Okay, let me hold it in the right angle in case you will see it. And anytime when I want to put cartridge, it's wiggle back and forth pretty bad, up and down, and that means it applied unnecessary pressure to a cartridge slot connector in the console itself. Also, it applied a pressure on this connector and on that adapter itself. If it's gonna wear out, then I need spare parts. It's almost impossible to find it. Basically, to prevent that happen and extended life for a Game Doctor, that's what I designed those rubber foot pads. They are 8 mm tall, 14 mm diameter, and those hoses it's 6 mm. And let me show you now with those feet how cartridge will fit it. Boom, right there. No wiggling. You see, I did apply normal pressure to put cartridge in. The module didn't wiggle as bad as before. Well guys, pretty much that's all I got for this video. I hope it was interesting, enjoyable. If you guys did enjoy it, thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe. We will be really appreciate. Thank you.